学位 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 is mean academic degree or the degree. 学 is mean learning or studying or science. E is mean the position, right? So when you put the kanji that mean study or learn, and with the kanji of position, so it means the degree of in the school or academic degree. For example, 学位は何ですか? 学位は何ですか? What is the academic degree? This means when you want to answer this question, you can answer like 学位は大学です。Right? 学位は大学院です。Right? 大学 is mean university. So that means you get the if you graduate from the university, it means you take 4 years, right? So that means gakui is mean the level of the school. But if you graduate from the master, it means gakuin, right? Daigakuin is mean master. So this means 学位は大学院です which means if you say 学位は大学院です means you graduate from the master degree, not university degree. So this is about how to separate about the degree in education. So in education we have many levels. We start from elementary school and secondary school and upper secondary school and college and university, right? And after that you have a master or doctor degree. So this is about the level of education. So in the case like this, we can use a gaki to separate. Gaki is mean the position